Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Dead by Daylight on mobile. First, you'll need to download the game from your device's App Store, available on both iOS and Android. Make sure your phone or tablet meets the minimum system requirements for the best experience. Once installed, complete the interactive tutorial. It's crucial for learning the fundamental controls and understanding the game's core objectives before diving into matches. This initial setup takes just a few minutes. When playing as a survivor, your primary goal is to repair 5 generators scattered across the map. Each generator takes about 80 seconds to complete alone, but teamwork with your 3 fellow survivors speeds this up significantly. Once 5 generators are powered, you can open one of 2 exit gates to escape. Remember to use your unique perks and collected items wisely to outsmart the killer and ensure your survival. If you choose to play as the killer, your mission is to prevent all 4 survivors from escaping. You'll need to patrol the generators, track down survivors using your unique power, and then hook them. Each survivor must be hooked 3 times to be sacrificed to the entity. Mastering your killer's specific abilities and understanding map layouts are key to successfully hunting down and eliminating your prey before they can repair the generators. To truly excel in Dead by Daylight Mobile, consistent practice is essential. Try playing both survivor and killer roles. This helps you understand each side's strategies and anticipate opponents' moves. Familiarize yourself with the various map layouts and identify strong looping areas for both chasing and evading. Experiment with different character perks and add-ons to discover builds that best suit your individual playstyle, enhancing your overall effectiveness in every match.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.